So I have this sound hole pickup, and I've already drilled my holes. If you read the instructions, you'll figure out how to drill a hole. It's usually a 1/2 inch hole in the back of the instrument. Now, how to get this through the hole? That's the question. So we have to put our washers in there, and of course our little locking tooth washer. It's a very simple procedure. Now what I do, I take a dowel. Now the dowel needs to be big enough so that it will slide in to the plug tightly. Alright, so we put the dowel through the end and then plug the pickup into the dowel. You just simply bring it through. Alright, now you can see it's not coming all the way through, and it needs to come through enough to put the bolt in. So what we need to do is make our adjustments. We can do it while it's still in the instrument, or in this case I'm going to take it out because this dowel is tight. So obviously we need a lot of, probably everything, probably all the threads on this case, because there's a big end block on it. Alright, but you get the idea, right? This plugs into the dowel and you have full control of it inside the instrument. So goes through, right through the hole. So we have a big sound hole here. So we just have a little bit, in this case, sticking through. So if you need a little more, you can just unscrew and it gives you as much as you need. Put your washer back on there. Alright. See where we're at now. Plug it into the dowel, pull it through. The instructions on this says I need approximately 5/16. So that's about almost 5/16. Alright, so once you have that where you want it, then you can take the washers you need and slide them over the other end of the dowel. We have the washers. We have the nut, and finally we have that, but you can put that on last. Okay. Alright. can tighten as much as we can with the dowel in there. But once you have it tight enough, you can just simply pull the dowel out and it's in there. Now at this point you can take a wrench and it'll probably hold. If it slides, if it turns like it is, we will need to get something. They give you a little hole there, probably an awl, to hold it until you seat it in place. And you can get it tight if you want it to be tight. Alright, then you can take your end cap or your strap button. It fits right on, and there you have it. Then you can take your transducer, whatever you have on the other end, wiring, whatever, and put it in wherever you care to put it in. So that's how you install these Endpin pickups. I hope this video was informative. If so, let me know. Give me a like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.